Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special for all you car enthusiasts out there. We're diving deep into the 2024 Kia Telluride. If you're in the market for a spacious, stylish, and tech-savvy SUV, you're in for a treat. So, buckle up and let's hit the road. First impressions matter, right? And the 2024 Telluride certainly knows how to make a statement. Just take a look at those bold lines, that signature tiger nose grille, and those sleek LED headlights. It's a head-turner, no doubt about it. Whether you're cruising through the city streets or tackling rough terrain, the Telluride's rugged yet refined exterior design has you covered. Plus, with a variety of stylish color options to choose from, you can customize it to fit your personal style. Kia says they've made some minor exterior tweaks on the Telluride for 2024, but you'd be hard-pressed to clock them. All models now come with amber-colored daytime running lights, and X-Line and X-Pro models get glossy black exterior trim in place of last year's dark metallic highlights. Under the hood of every Telluride is a naturally aspirated V6 that makes 291 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. Its engine pairs with an 8-speed automatic transmission that feeds the front wheels, though all-wheel drive is optional across the board. The Telluride X-Line we tested sped to 60 miles per hour in 6.8 seconds. However, the big Kia didn't feel as responsive to throttle inputs at lower speeds as did some of its turbocharged rivals. The Telluride's ride is on the firm side, with harsh pavement sometimes throwing the three-row SUV off its intended path. A self-leveling rear air suspension is also available. The brakes are excellent and the steering is precise, with a nice heft to its feel. The Telluride boasts up to 8.4 inches of ground clearance for off-road excursions, and it can tow up to 5,500 pounds. Unlike many rival three-row SUVs, the Telluride is only offered with a gasoline V6 powertrain. The EPA estimates the front-drive version is the thriftiest, with ratings of 20 mpg in the city and 26 mpg on the highway. All-wheel drive models drop to 19 mpg city and 24 mpg highway. Regardless of people's opinions about the Telluride's bold outward appearance, its interior is undeniably upscale and comfortable, especially in the top trims. The build quality is excellent. The materials are attractive, and features are plentiful. The SX trim tops them all with the fanciest options, which include driver's seat memory settings, a head-up display, heated and ventilated rear seats, a rich-looking headliner, and Nappa leather upholstery. Because the Telluride is several inches longer than the 7-passenger Kia Sorento, its cabin is even more spacious, especially for those in the way back. There is room for 8 with a second row bench seat or seating for 7 with the optional captain's chairs, along with ample interior storage throughout the cabin. We managed to fit 4 carry-on suitcases behind its third row and stuffed a total of 35 carry-ons with both back rows folded flat. Every Telluride boasts a robust infotainment system that features a 12.3-inch touchscreen with popular content that includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capability, in-dash navigation, and onboard Wi-Fi. Also available is a 10-speaker Harman Kardon audio system, a 110-volt power inverter, and wireless smartphone charging. A feature called Driver Talk amplifies the driver's voice through speakers in the back 2 rows to better communicate with passengers back there or to answer the kids when they ask, "Are we there yet?" The price of the 2024 Kia Telluride starts at $37,585 and goes up to $54,780 depending on the trim and options. So, what's the verdict? Well, if you're in the market for a versatile SUV that combines style, comfort, and performance, the 2024 Kia Telluride should definitely be at the top of your list. It's a true all-rounder that ticks all the boxes, and then some. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Head to your nearest Kia dealership and see for yourself. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy driving.